Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Here's a breakdown of key aspects of Jupiter. Physical characteristics. Size. Jupiter has a diameter of about 142,984 kilometers, or 88,846 miles, making it over 11 times wider than Earth. Mass. It has a mass approximately 318 times that of Earth. Structure. Jupiter is primarily made of hydrogen and helium. Its core is believed to be composed of heavier elements, though its exact composition is still debated. The atmosphere contains other gases like methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Cloud bands. The planet's atmosphere is known for its colorful cloud bands, caused by strong east-west winds that reach speeds of up to 600 kilometers per hour or 370 miles per hour. These bands are visible as alternating light and dark zones across the planet. Great Red Spot. One of Jupiter's most iconic features is the Great Red Spot, a massive storm larger than Earth that has been raging for at least 400 years. Rotation and revolution day. Jupiter has the fastest rotation of any planet in the solar system. A day on Jupiter, the time it takes to complete one rotation, is just under 10 hours. Year. However, because of its distance from the Sun, it takes about 12 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Magnetic field. Jupiter has an extremely strong magnetic field, 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This creates a vast magnetosphere that can extend as far as the orbit of Saturn. The planet also has powerful auroras at its poles, caused by interactions between its magnetic field and the solar wind. Jupiter has 92 confirmed moons as of 2024, with 4 of the largest being the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These were discovered by Galileo in 1610. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Europa has a subsurface ocean, making it one of the prime candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, and even larger than Mercury. Callisto is heavily cratered and believed to have a relatively unaltered surface since its formation. Jupiter's atmosphere is thick and composed primarily of hydrogen, making up 90%, and helium, making up 10%, similar to the composition of the Sun. Traces of methane, ammonia, water vapor, and other gases give the planet its distinct colors and patterns. The upper atmosphere is divided into bands of clouds, which range in color from white to orange to brown, caused by complex chemical reactions involving trace compounds. Although not as prominent as Saturn's, Jupiter does have a faint ring system made of dust particles from its moons. These rings are almost invisible and were only discovered in 1979 by the Voyager spacecraft. Pioneer 10 was the first spacecraft to fly by Jupiter in 1973. Voyager 1 and 2 made detailed observations in 1979. Galileo orbited Jupiter from 1995 to 2003, providing unprecedented data on the planet and its moons. Juno is a current NASA mission that has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016, studying its atmosphere, magnetic field, and structure. In Roman mythology, Jupiter is the king of the gods, equivalent to Zeus in Greek mythology. He was associated with thunder, lightning, and the sky, a fitting name for the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter's massive size, stormy atmosphere, and intriguing moons make it one of the most fascinating objects in our solar system.